Hi, I'm Casey Bullock, one of the Sierra College librarians. I want to share some best practices for using the library's online services during remote instruction. Tip number 1, online help is available. As you have questions, you can live chat, email, or text a librarian to get help with your research projects. Here's the Ask a Librarian page, which you'll find from the Sierra College Library's website, sierracollege.edu/library. On this page, you'll find several different ways to get in touch with us virtually. We also provide research consultations online where you can schedule a 20-minute appointment with a librarian to get help finding credible sources. Simply give us some details about your assignment and your selected topic, and a librarian will have sources ready for your scheduled Zoom appointment. We have free access to ebooks, articles, and streaming videos to support your online learning. Search Discover, the search box on our homepage, to find quality sources available online. Once your search results load, you'll be able to use the filters on the left-hand side to select by availability, available online. Tip number 3, lastly, but just as important, since the library is physically closed, all materials checked out have been extended with the new due date of May 22nd. You can still return materials to our outdoor book drops, which will be checked in right when we open our doors. That wraps up our 3 tips for online success using the library. When in doubt, stay calm and ask a librarian. We hope this information is helpful during this time of remote instruction. Thanks for watching.